Okay, in this video, we are looking at how to draw a circuit. So over here on our left side, we can see like right here, this is the criteria for what needs to be in our circuit. So we need to have a 2-cell battery. So I'm going to draw that in green. So our 2-cell battery, this is one cell and a second cell, and we have to write our negative sign here and our plus sign here. So that's our 2-cell battery. And then we have 2 light bulbs beside each other. So just a note for when we draw our circuits, we draw them as nice, kind of like rectangular looking things with nice 90-degree corners. So I have my 2-cell battery, and then I think I'm going to draw my 2 light bulbs beside each other, and I'm going to do my light bulbs in pink today. So there's one light bulb and my next light bulb right here, and they both have a circle around them. That's how we know they're light bulbs. Those light bulbs are a little close together, so maybe we want to spread them out a little bit more. Oops. So like this. And then my next part of my circuit says a fuse. So I'm going to do my fuse in light blue, so it looks like this, and there should be dots here and here. So light blue fuse. And then my last part of my circuit, I'm going to keep drawing my connectors. It says an open switch. So my open switch is in yellow. It's going to look like this. And I finish off my circuit by connecting it back to my power source. Okay, so that's our first circuit. Our next circuit, if we scroll up, says a 4-cell battery. So I'm going to do my battery in green. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to include a negative and a positive so I know what end of the battery it is. And my first part of my circuit is a closed switch. So I'm going to do my closed switch in yellow. So dot and dot there. So there's my closed switch. Bring that, make a nice 90-degree corner. I have my next part of my circuit is a resistor. Do my resistor in orange. Looks like that. Bart Simpson hair. And then I continue with my connectors, and then it says 3 light bulbs beside each other. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and my light bulbs get a circle around them like this. And then I bring my circuit back to my battery. In my third example, it looks like I need a 1-cell battery, so just 1. So there's my 1-cell battery. Make sure your bigger line is like looks bigger than your smaller line. So a connector with a nice sharp 90-degree corner. A closed switch will do in yellow, so that's pretty easy, just like that. And then it says 2 light bulbs on a different path. So from my switch, I need to make 2 pathways. So I'm going to bring 1 pathway here and draw my light bulb. And I'm going to bring my connector here. So that's 1 pathway, but I need a second pathway. So think of it as like another road. So then I'm going to draw another pathway, and I'm going to draw another light bulb like this on a different pathway. But both of these pathways have to finish at the power source. So our circuit always has to be complete by finishing at our power source. So those are 3 examples on how to draw nice, good circuit diagrams.